My name is Ivo Vroink. I am the project leader for the metal printing project at Saxion Research Group of Industrial Design. So we just finished a 2-year project. We started a new one with many of the same industry partners. The setup of the project is such that we use cases from our industry partners and we optimize them together with students and researchers. Each case is unique and enables us to extract information regarding production and design guidelines for metal 3D printing. Our printer uses a powder bed principle, which means that on top of the building platform a layer of 25 microns of powder is deposited, and then a laser selectively melts these on parts where we want our object to be. We print using 360 stainless steel, which means that safety is important, so we use safety gear such as coats, glasses, gloves and a mask, of course.
My name is Wouter Wijmaas. I'm a researcher in the 3D metal printing project. When we want to design an object which is suitable for 3D printing, first you start with the design, of course. Then the operators will start the printing process, which is a bit more complicated than just pressing start. When the print is finished, the operator will take it out and clean it with a vacuum cleaner to remove the loose powder. After this step, you'll have your product on the building platform. Then the object is subjected to a heat treatment to get rid of all the residual thermal stresses. After the heat treatment, the object is removed off the building platform and the support material can be removed by milling, and then your product is finished.
I'm Karin van Beurden. I'm Lecturer Product Design at Saxion. 3D metal printing is very challenging. The nice thing is that you can come up with solutions which were simply not possible before. For instance, you can reduce substantial weight by using lattice structures, or you can put parts together and come with very complicated products which were not possible to make earlier. But the main thing is that you have to develop a complete new way of thinking for problem solutions.